Good morning, friends. My name is Sachin Dattatri Katkar, and today's video topic is memory allocation in Java. And today's date is 21 December 2021. Memory allocation in Java refers to the process where the computer program and service are located. Dedicated to virtual memory place, the Java virtual machine divides the memory into stack and heap memory. For Java virtual machine, executing an application in its maximum potential can happening from stock and heap memory. Every time a new variable or object is declared, the memory allocates memory dedicated to such operation. The table contains stack memory, characters of stack memory, method used in stack memory allocation in Java. Java heap space, characters of the Java heap memory, and heap space and stack memory, fundamental and difference and conclusion. First one is the stack memory. The stack memory allocation in Java is used for static memory and thread execution. The value contained in this memory are temporary and limited to specific method. As they keep getting refers in list in first out future. Second one is characters of stack memory. Based on different sections of the memory allocation in Java virtual machine. Here, the same of the discrete picture of stack memory. The stack memory can grow or contract as any methods get returned accordingly. Second one is a method used stack memory allocation in Java. Object push. Here items gets pushed to top of the stack. Object is pop. Any element located at the top of the stack get fused and returned. In case of stack being vacant as the pops get inverted, the exception empty stacks exception occur. Fourth one is Java heap space, mainly used in Java runtime. Java heap space comes into play every time an object is created and allocated in it. Second one is characteristics of the Java heap memory. Assemble from the complicated memory management technique including the young generation, old or tenured generation, the permanent generation. Second one is he- second one is conclusion. Conclusion: the memory allocation in Java occurs in two ways, mainly stack and heap space. We hope it helped you understanding the process all up. If you interested to learn more about full stack development, check out the upgrade. The execute PG program in full stack development, which is designed from working professional and offers 500 plus hours results training 9 plus project and assignment. The aluminum status practical head of the capstone projects the assigned from top to. That is memory allocation in Java is the Java because Java refers to the process. Thank you.